Hey everybody, today is February 7th, and as you see, I actually, surprisingly enough, got the bargain bead box in, which means you have time to order this month's subscription. If you like what you see in this order, I will have the link below that you can use, and you will get $2 off your first order, which means that will be $20.99. And then if you continue with the subscription, it would be $22.99. This month's beads came in a pretty little peach colored organza bag. And this month's theme is Budding Romance. Your beads, deep burgundy quartz known as Malaysia Jade, stars in this month's romantic palette. Accents include rose quartz, microfaceted garnet, and colorful crystal. Enamel charms, cubic zirconia drops, and other floral findings complete this collection. You'll also find a free bonus strand of bright blue quartz beads. These were meant to be a pale teal accent color, but the dyeing process did not go quite as the lapidary expected, so we added 6x4mm faceted rondelles in deep red and also included the deep blue beads as a free extra. And the bottom says, check out our new YouTube channel for upcoming tutorials and more. Just search at Bead Box Bargains on YouTube to find us. And I do want to say that this could possibly be my last shipment for this subscription. I did ask if I could continue to get it until March, but I don't know yet if I'm going to be able to get the March one, so this very well may be my last one. And for those of you who have enjoyed watching me unbox these, I appreciate you watching. Now, let's get into what came this month. I'm excited. And as always, identification key is on the reverse of the description page. And I forgot to tell you the estimated approximate value for last month's shipment, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you what it is for this month. It says approximate total retail value for this shipment is $83.83. Last month it was more, but the $83.83 is pretty average for the shipments. And as always, I do read the description off of the identification key, not necessarily what's on the bag, unless there's something on the bag that I think you might need to know that's different from this page. Number one is 32mm Malaysian Jade dyed quartz teardrop pendant, valued at $6.99. And this on here says that it is brass faceted. And mine, unfortunately, is extremely scratched up on the facets and on the front. Can you see them? There is a scratch that goes across there, and then there's a scratch right in there, and of course where it was cut it doesn't look very good, which is unfortunate. And also it has the scratches on the back in the where it's faceted. It has the places on the back where it's faceted as well, like it has been worn out. That's what happens when you have these kind of pieces of jewelry, is when they get worn, not wore, but worn. It's wear on them. But that's what that looks like. But I don't think that's the case. It's just, I guess, in the process of shipping. I don't know. Either way, this one is not in pristine condition. There's the front once again. I am assuming that it could be buffed and polished, but I don't have a way to do that myself. That's the coloration with the light shining through it. It's really pretty. It really is. It's just a shame that it's got the blemishes. Number 2 says 8mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz dark red beads, 7.5 inch and valued at $3.99. These are not a bright red. They're more of a, mine at least, are more of a pinky mottled color. They're definitely pretty. This one, I don't know what happened to it, but that right there is actually a flat spot. Definitely a flat spot. And it's got kind of like pitting in it. And there's a couple of other ones that look like that too. But anyway, the rest of them are really nice. Number 3 is 6x4mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz faceted rondelles valued at $8.99, and they are on a 14-inch strand. They are a dark red, more like garnet. Not quite as deep as garnet. Oh, I see one of them is also not perfect, but that's okay. You see it? Number 4 is 3 to 3.5mm garnet micro-faceted round beads, 15-inch strand, valued at $7.99. They are really a garnet color and very small, but they are so sparkly and so pretty. Number 5 on the key paper says that they are 10mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz faceted rounds, 7-inch strand, valued at $3.99. Faceted round in a reddish hue. I think my light to me is washing them out, but on the camera they do kind of look like they're correct. That's the correct color, but they're pretty. Number 6 is rose quartz tumbled nugget beads on a 16-inch strand, valued at $6.99. These I really do like because they truly are a natural rose quartz stone. I like the fact that they're not dyed, they're not treated in any way. They are all natural, and they are really pretty. They do vary in color, but goodness gracious, they're pretty. And number 7 is a 20-inch strand, 4mm crystal faceted rounds in turquoise green, valued at $3.99. They definitely do have their turquoise greenish color. They have a really nice sparkle. They're pretty. Number 8 is a 16-inch strand of 6x4mm crystal faceted rondelles in lavender, valued at $4.99. And they definitely are a lavender. They're very light lavender. And they are very shiny, and they are a nice size. Number 9 is 2-piece 28x10mm enameled rose charms in pink, valued at $2.99. These are cute, but they're not my style. I mean, they're not awful. I'm not into this kind of thing. But they do have the loops, the charms. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's what they are, charms. I could see them as a charm. Get you a good look at them there. Number 10 is a 2-piece 13 by 4 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass cubic zirconian drops valued at $5.99. They are really cute. There is a clear, a pink. It definitely would match the Malaysian jade colors. And they definitely are open on the back. So it's like they really are a true fine piece of jewelry. I could see these as earrings. They're really cute. I really could see them as earrings. Number 11 is a 25 by 20 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass filigree flower chandelier valued at $4.99. Oh, that one doesn't have the center cut out of it. That's what the back looks like. And once again, the front. It's a nice piece. Number 12 is 2 pieces of 31 by 18 millimeter enameled branch charms in teal valued at $2.99. And they're actually a little leaf pattern. They're cute. And they would match the blue colored beads. There's what the back of those look like. Oh. 13 is a 22 by 15 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass floral toggle clasp valued at $2.99. It has a flower that looks like a dogwood flower to me. A dogwood tree flower. And then it's got the flower on the end of that. That's pretty. It really is. It's got some really nice detail. Number 14 is 10-gram bag of 6.5 scallop bead caps, lead-free, cadmium-free, valued at $2.99. Of course, they're just the little bead caps. And this is how many are actually in the bag, minus those. Number 15 is 20 pieces of 7 by 4 millimeter flower spacer beads, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, valued at $2.99. And this is what they look like. And there is the hole on the bottom, and of course the top. But they're just the little flower ones. They're really cute. And of course they look the same on either side. Number 16 is 2.5 by 2 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel chain, 1 meter, valued at $4.99, and it says stainless steel is hypoallergenic. It's just a regular chain, nothing fancy about it, but a lot of people like this style. I like this style. And number 17 is 2 pieces of 35 by 14 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass filigree chandeliers, valued at $3.99. Even though they're thin, they seem to be pretty sturdy, and I like the shape of these, and I like how the opening is up here. Yep. I like the design as well. That's the back. That's the front. The design is raised. Number 18, which is the last thing in the shipment, is the 8mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz round beads in blue, and they do not have a value to them on the actual key. I actually like their color. They are really pretty. You know, a lot of people don't like the dyed stuff, but I think it's okay. And here are all the beads that came in this shipment. If there was something in this particular shipment that you liked, leave a comment below and tell me which one it was, what number it was. I liked these a lot, and I like the beads. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. If you would like to order this month's shipment, you still have until, I think the cutoff is actually the 9th. I'm not sure. But you can order from my link below, or go to my main page where the links are listed. The link for the bargain bead box is on the main page. And if you order, you will get $2 off your first order. And the consecutive months after that will be $22.99. Thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next one. And let me know what you liked on this video. And hit the like button. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye.